Okay, welcome, you're welcome, and thank you again to be here. First of all, I wanted to show you how to share with you a musical, an audio file. So it is very easy to create a background music in the moment before the start of online event. Okay. Now I would like to thank you and welcome to this online event titled "How to Create an Online Event." Let's learn how to create an online event on eTwinning platform. Here are some instructions that can be useful for participants. Thank you again to being here with me to experience one of the most useful features of the platform, the creation of an online event. You will soon realize that it is a very, very easy task. I introduce myself. I am Riccardo. I live in Arezzo, Italy, and this is my email address. I teach music to primary school, informatics and ICT. I am eTwinning ambassador, and one of most beautiful experiences in eTwinning to me was the eTwinning Plus project, My Alien Friend, because it was a very collaborative project, a very big project, because it involved about 60 schools of different countries. And I am a philosophy psychology teacher to high school between since 2007. Okay, I want to answer now to the question of Rosa, where these commands shown on the slide. Okay, you mean the command to insert music, audio music for background? Yes, right. Okay, I show you the slide where it's possible to share a document audio file too. And I don't know if you can see now. The command is in the top, in the menu on the top and on the left part of your screen. But sometimes I think that it's possible only to me to see everything. I stop a webcam, so it's maybe faster the video. You can see on the top of the menu pods, and it is in the menu where you can share. So now I show you the first. It is the first option. Now I show you the other slide. Okay. Share, you can click on share and select the document you want to share with participants. Of course, it's not difficult. It's very easy. Of course, you have to try. I advise you to try the first time testing this very useful tool, and don't worry if you do some mistake, something not good, but it is the better way, I think, to improve your skill. Okay, we'll start. Let's start. First of all, you have, first of all, you have to log in to eTwinning live. with username and password. Ciao Giovanna, thank you. Thank you to be here, and to be Cristina. Thank you, Cristina, Davide, Giovanna, and Virginia, everybody. Anelilia, Monica, Rosa, Sabrina e Valbona. Pochi ma buoni, we say in Italy, in Italian language. Few but good. Okay, you can see in the tutorial, video tutorial, that of course we are starting. I am explaining you. I am showing you every step you have to follow to create an online event, and I will say you what is very important, and maybe I will go on if the step is not very important. Okay, I will show the main steps to create an online event. After doing your login into eTwinning Live, you will see this screen. Okay, this is my desktop in eTwinning Live, and you can see in the left menu of eTwinning Live, okay, my events, my projects, my groups, my portfolio. Okay, if I click on my events, a page will open in which I will see the events in which I have already participated, the events I have created, and the upcoming events. Okay, to create an online event, in the top menu, I have to click on events, and then in the menu on the left, I have to click on create an event. Okay, now please look at the video tutorial. Look at the red arrow. Okay, my events, and after you can see of course my events and the upcoming events. Now upcoming events. After, in the top menu, I click on events, and after create an event. Okay, can I go on? Is it clear for now? Okay, let's go on. I click create an event. In order to study in a better way this tutorial, I will invite you to watch again the video, and I will show you the link as soon as possible in my profile and in eTwinning Live, so you will have I think a useful tool to create an event. So it's not important now to go too slow, because we have not too much time. Okay, let's go on. Create an event. After, this is very important. This is a very important window. Make sure that the online and offline event you create do not offend other twinners. Okay, and after, it's very important to read the eTwinning code of conduct, because this code of conduct is very interesting, because it reflects the values and the philosophy of eTwinning: respect, inclusion, collaboration, skill sharing, etc. Okay, I read when I have more time, I can read all the code of conduct: inclusion, collaboration, respect, and etc. This is very, very important to me. Values of eTwinning are not only to use eTwinning to have advantages, but it's very important too, because we can use it for other eTwinners and sharing with the others our skills. After, I can click OK when I already read the code, and I close the page. I click OK, and after I click, I can choose on-site event or online event. I can choose on-site event if the event I want to create is event that is hosted locally at my school or at other venue. Okay. In this case, I choose online event because an online event is a virtual and is facilitated through eTwinning Live. So I choose online event. Okay. What kind of event is it? Okay. This will show you what is an online event and what is an on-site event. Okay, the difference. Okay, what I said before. Now I have to describe my event, so I have to choose a title. The recommendation, my advice is to use a snappy title and write a short description in the language of the event or what you are planning, mentioning subjects and topics if relevant. I can choose the title I want based on what I want to share with other eTwinning members. There are no limits to the contents of my online event. It can be any tool that can be useful to others. Tool of the platform or any other tool I consider useful, or any topics I wish to discuss or share with others. I can share skills, I can share subjects, tools, and so on. Okay, I want to remember you that an online event is designed to have the advantages of an exchange and a collaborative meeting between all the participants and not just a frontal transmission of information. So we can use this online event for discussion, collaboration. Okay, no, don't worry, Lara. This online event will be recorded, so if somebody is late, is not a problem. We can see an online event after the live session. Okay. I insert the title, How to Create an Online Event, and a brief description. Let's learn how to create an online event on the eTwinning platform. I can tick, you can see now that I can tick this EUcodeweek campaign. If I want to collaborate with this initiative, which offers great visibility of the event by including all the events in a European map. All recognized and approved events are placed on the map and will receive a certificate from the European Commission. This is a great opportunity and I want every time to check this opportunity. Now I show you what means that. Okay. When you take this opportunity, this possibility, you will have your online event. You have one link and one description. Okay. You have to add the event on the to add the event onto the map. Register on EUcodeweek.eu. This site that you can see is very important, because when you register your online event on the EUcodeweek.eu, automatically your event will be visible in the EUcodeweek map, together with all online events, not only of eTwinning, but in all Europe, all online events and of all schools in Europe. It's very, very, very important and not only for the certificate. Of course, the certificate is too very useful, awards, but is not the only one. After you had your event to the EUcodeweek, you will have to EUcodeweek.eu. You will receive a confirmation of your event registration by email with a code for your event that you can share with whomever you want. Of course, this is in Italian language. Of course, you can copy and paste all information to the form of EUcodeweek, copying from the eTwinning page, so you don't waste time. This is okay. This is one reply, okay, one preview, okay, depending review. I can view a summary of my event, and one of the EUcodeweek ambassadors will review the event before approving it. So sometimes you can wait only some hour or maybe one day, not more. After a few hours or one day, I receive here, that is the approval of my activity on EUcodeweek by mail. So this is the registration approved, and this is very important, because now in this moment maybe many people is participating with us. We are not only in eTwinning. We are together with a larger community. In this way, I can share my participation and encourage others to join the movement by downloading the EUcodeweek participant badge. This is badge. This is the badge, the EUcodeweek badge, that I can use to share my my event. Let's go on. And now, continuing in the creation of the event, I find the page tell us more about your event, online event. I can insert an image from my computer. This is very easy. You can choose an image, or maybe you can firstly prepare an image to upload for your event, of course, an image any format is good, I think. And this is what I have did. Of course, I had not to fantasy because I have choose the logo of eTwinning, but you can choose, of course, every image. You can insert an image from your computer, drop here or browse. I select the image and upload it. I choose the language of my event. Okay, I choose English, but of course I can choose every language of this list. This is a very long list, and you can choose every language. You can okay. How many people? You can choose 51, 100, but if you want less, type. The type. What kind of event are you planning? Okay, other, partner finding. If you want partner finding, if you want to find a partner for in eTwinning project, for example. For example, you want to create one eTwinning project, and you can use an online event to show what you want to do, for example, and so on. You can present your project to your school, for example. You can, or classroom. You can use this online event for promotion or dissemination. For example, eTwinning ambassador can use that very useful tool during seminars or workshops. Sharing practice. Sharing practice. This is what I'm doing now, for example, or training session better. And for now I choose a training session because I am sharing this skill, and I can choose one option, and of course before I click on submit, I can change everything I want. Who can attend? Who can attend? Okay, I have to say that anyone, I can choose anyone in eTwinning. I prefer that option. Only my contacts, but it is very I think that it's very dangerous, because if I choose only my contact, the visibility of my event is very short, very small. Or restrict event to eTwinners from specific countries and or languages. Okay, there are specific topics and local interest for which I might prefer to restrict the event only to users of a geographical area or who speak a particular language. For example, I am Italian, and maybe I wanted to create a project only for Italian people. Maybe I can prefer to use Italian, maybe because my English is not so good, and I prefer to speak in Italian language. So I can restrict this to Italy, to a specific area. Now select available slot. You will see now. You will see just now a listing of available slots. What are the available slots? Are the available slots a period of time? They are period of time free, because in this case, of course, in this case, I was very lucky, because all the slots were free. but sometimes maybe can happen that for example, 1st October 2019, for example, are all busy, or maybe is busy only the slots from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Okay. To take it easy, we are saying now that we can first to select one date. In this case, search 3 October 2019, and I have to wait for some second because the page is downloading, and when I now there is still 1 October. We have to wait for some minutes, and okay, this is a problem of my computer because I have chosen 3. Okay, previous step. Now this is what I have said. I have already say you. I can change what I want. If to change something, maybe I am not okay. I am not sure. Okay, this is very important. If you have already created an event, we will see that you have the option to delete or simply to change something in your event. Let's go on. If you do some mistake, you will have one message, like, or if you don't write something. Now in this case, I have to select one option, and I can change when I want, but before to click on submit. Now we have time to change what we want. We go on. Who can attend? Select available slot and a date. Okay. Okay. I want to select the time slot 7:30 p.m. 8 p.m. Of course, I will see that it is free. Sorry, but now we have to wait for some second again. Okay, I search. I can write the date and click on search, and I will have the listing of available slots. These are all available. I choose 7:30 to 8 p.m. and go on. Now I can invite contacts. To invite contacts, I have to select which contacts I would like to invite to this event. They will receive a notification by mail, because remember that every message we write in eTwinning will arrive into personal mailbox of eTwinner. Okay, now I choose 5 people. Okay, select tools. This is important too. When I create an event, I can select this forum and a file archive. And this is important to choose both, I think, because they can use useful. So I click, I tick forum and file archive. Okay, this is a preview of basic information of my online event. I check if it's good. We are late because maybe is too short, 30 minutes, and I'm sorry for late now, but we are near the end. Don't worry. The event was successfully saved. Click here to go to your listing of events. Done. The event was created, and now you can see in your listing on events that my event is in the listing. If I can't see, I have to click again upcoming events, because maybe you need some minutes, some seconds to have visible your event in the listing, because I can't to find it suddenly. I have to wait some minutes. So don't worry if you don't see suddenly your event in the listing of eTwinning events. And if I click on your event of my desktop, I can see my event. Here I can see on the left my participated events, my created events, and upcoming events on the left of my desktop, eTwinning desktop. Okay, we have to wait for some minutes, and this is what you have to do to create one online event. I remind, I would like to know if you have questions. Okay, Rosa Di Resta ask, do you start dimming? Sorry, one moment, because in this time, okay, when the event starts, a room opens on the page of the event. Yes, right, Sabrina. L'evento inizia l'evento nello stesso modo? Allora, la persona che ha creato l'evento inizia l'evento nello stesso modo? Okay. Okay, maybe I understand now. The person that has created the event to start the event. Right question. Sorry, because I have to say many things, but this is very important. No, it's not the same way. The person in this case, me. I have created this event, and I have 24 hours of time to enter into the room, the live session. I have 24 hours before the hour of event. Okay, to enter. Of course, okay, I don't know if you if it's clear. Yes, I entered before. I can enter before. All the participants, all participants can enter only 15 minutes before the event, but I can, as an administrator, I can prepare and to upload the documents and etc. 24 hours before. Okay, and so you have the time to do what you want to do, to explore the live session before to the time the starting. Okay, but okay, but how do you also click on live, or is like a project that you can work? No, okay, I understand now. Simply enter to room. I can see one message: enter to room from live. Yes, in the same way, enter to room, but from live page. Okay, is that the question? I would like to show you. Okay, I would like to share share with you some useful instructions to share documents. When you create an event, sometimes is not easy to share a document, and many times there are many troubles, many obstacles to share a document, because for me too, in the first times, I had many problems to share a document, because I believe it that to share a document is very complicated. Instead is very simple, very simple. I have discovered that to share a document is very simple, but you have to dedicate time before one event. For example, I wanted to speak practically. This tutorial you can see now is a tutorial that I have saved in VMV format. I have did that video. This video tutorial is created with Movie Maker, because why Movie Maker? Because Movie Maker is very easy, because Movie Maker, when I will save a video with Movie Maker, I will save video directly. It will save my video directly in WMV format. Okay, it will save my video in this format. When I please look at this slide. When I share a document, I can choose my document only in format WMV MV format or FL, I don't remember, another format. But is not other are not good AVI or other format of videos. Is it only format you can share? No. You can of video only two. Format video are only two, but images I think are not they are not problems for images, and documents you can share all documents, and audio too. For example, now I am sharing with you now another image, and you can see in this slide, in this note, in this small slide, you can see that I can, from meeting menu, you can choose many options. For example, record meeting, or maybe full screen or end meeting. Okay, this is but from pods, if you want to share something, some documents, if you want to share some document with other participants, you have to go to pods in the top menu. Okay, FLV, yes, great, yes, right. FLV, perfetto. This is the format. Okay, I think this is FLV, but you can try. Is not, you have 24 hours of time, and you can I repeat, you can explore. You have time to explore directly this very useful tool. And if you do some mistake, don't worry, because nothing happens. Yes, GPG is good. GPG, PNG, I don't know. But GPG, yes, sure. Okay, Rosa. And I remind you that another thing before to say hello. I remind you that if you wanted to make a recording, okay, this is very important, because when you do a registration of your tool, this will can be useful to you too, for you too, when the live session is ended. Okay, Sabrina Jacoponi, tell me if you want. I can do. Okay, I can. Okay, you can speak now, Sabrina. Hi, Sabrina. I present you my colleague, eTwinning ambassador, Sabrina Jacoponi. Puoi parlare, Sabrina, ti ho abilitato il microfono. Hi, Sabrina. You can speak. Can you hear Sabrina? Okay. You can speak, Sabrina.
Okay. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hi. Okay. I'm leaving because it's time for dinner now, but I was very interesting about the recording section because I've never done it. So I would like to learn this function
if you want,
of this room. So if you explain briefly how to do it, it would be very good for me as well.
Thank you, Sabrina Jacoponi, for your intervention. And sorry, because there are somehow audio problems now. Sabrina Jacoponi is the Italian ambassador for the Tuscany region. Let's go on. This is a very powerful tool. You can see that there are many options. Of course, yes, Rosa, I will prepare another event, okay, online event, as soon as possible, to explain and to explore together because I am not I am exploring to this tool, so I am not a teacher now. We are colleagues, and I am learning together with you. Yes, eTwinning is fantastic, and every day we can we can discover in eTwinning new opportunities. One word to describe eTwinning for me is opportunities, because eTwinning really offers millions of opportunities. I thank you everybody to be here with me, and thank you all you, and I hope you enjoyed to be here. I enjoyed with you, and this is eTwinning. This is a great family. eTwinning philosophy is that for me. Okay, I kiss you, and good night, and thank you for your patience, and grazie Giovanna. Thank you for participation.